These are the elevators, the shuttle elevators that go up to the Ritz Carlton, Water Tower Place, Chicago. These used to be Otis Touch elevators, but sadly they got modded a few years ago. And I guess we got this one.
You know when they were modded exactly?
2017, I believe.
That's a bummer. Yeah, you can tell. That old indicator up there.
Classic leveling. There's the luggage elevator there. Let's go to the lobby. You're on 12. Let's go back down to the ground.
What are the main elevators here?
Also modded, M2. Here are the cabs. They're decent, but they're not anywhere near as nice as they were before they were modded. They used to have wooden cabs before this.
Oh, I guess I'll film this one real quick.
But considering the hotel wanted a fresh look, I will say they did a decent job with these.
You know what's...
Alright.
Maybe it lets you go to...
Lobby?
No. Shopping.
Oop. Uh-oh.
Maybe it don't work.
It's gonna skip.
It's all right. Unless somebody else was getting on.
Alright. We'll get off here.
Should cover that, right?
Oh, that's a good point. Honey. Hey.
What up? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Liz?
Hey. Oh, yes.
And there it goes. And there used to be a lobby panel there, but they took it out when they renovated and modded the elevators. And that'll be it.